Now the next thing is the WMS service or the web map service. Okay, so now this map was not previously visible to us. Okay, so what happens is, what do you mean by web map services? It's basically an API. Now, just for in simple terms, yeah, the API is there is an external third party tool. Okay, and I have to integrate it with my Tableau software. So what I get is a integration URL. Okay, so as I said, I didn't integrate any third party map software. This is not Google Maps. Okay, because Google Maps is not free software. Okay, but you can get an API integration URL for Google Maps if you can pay the price. Okay, this is a free, like there are many companies which provide map integration URL for various software, not only for Tableau. So you can integrate their maps into your like softwares whichever you have built. So this is something called as open WMS web map servers. Okay, so now what happens is you get the URL from anywhere. You can just search free WMS URLs. Okay, what you can do is you can go to map, you can go to background maps, and there is an option. See here, open street map WMS. Okay, so this is the one I have added. If you want to add any other maps, what you have to do is you have to enter the URL, the free URL that you will get. Okay, and then just click on OK, and then you will get this specialized map on your location, right? What happens is I've plotted the longitude and latitude on this particular map, and I'm getting city, country, and state. Okay, so you can plot anywhere. Like you can see these dots onto the map. See here, you can see the dots onto the map. Now, if I just like zoom in, you can see the zoom. We're getting a more detailed look into the map. Again, if you want, you can zoom in further. Okay, so it's running a little slow because basically your Tableau software is communicating with a third party software in the internet. Okay, and with the help of that you are getting this zoom in version of the map. So that's why it is sometimes when you will click on the plus symbol, it will take few seconds to get you the result. Okay, so this is the use of WMS map. Now similar to this only is the Mapbox, but Mapbox is not free. So basically customization is a very simple tools for you to see here on the side. Whenever you click on the map, you get these options. Like if you want to search on the map, so let's say I want to search ANN and a Ann Arbor. Okay, so it will take me to that particular city, which is the Ann Arbor city. Okay, so that is the meaning of that. Even you can do this on this map also. So let's say I want to search for a particular city. Let's say Austin. Okay, Austin, Texas. Okay, it will take me to that particular city, Austin, Texas, with this detailed, like, you know, now on the center it is showing me only the city, country, and the state. So this is the use of the search bar. Okay, then this is the plus for the zoom in, then zoom out. Okay, then if you want to reset the map, so give me one. So now it's the map has been reset to show you the entire country. Okay, then again, if you want to zoom a particular area, you want to pan across the area, you want to have a rectangular selection, like if you want to select a particular area in the map. Okay, so this is the rectangular selection in the map from which you can create a set. Okay, so set operations we have already seen. Okay, so that is one way. Then if you want, you can have a circular selection. So if you want to have a circular selection, you can do that. Okay, now if you want to select in a particular shape that you want, okay, then you can do that also. Okay, now these are ways to select. Now if you don't want these locations to be visible to see, whenever what is the objective, this dashboard will be shared with a supervisor or a client or someone else. Okay, so they can interact with the map using these tools: search, zoom in, zoom out, reset, or something like that. Now what happens is, if you want to, so what is the use of customizations? What you can do is you can simply you can right click on the map area, select map options. You will have four options. So if you want to remove the map search option, just uncheck this. Okay, if you want to remove the layer control, what is the meaning of layer control? We can change the map layers, right? going into the map, then background maps, and you can get different layers, light, dark, satellite and all that. So you can change that. Okay. Then you can show view toolbar. If you remove the view toolbar option, this zoom in, zoom out is completely gone. So the user cannot zoom in or zoom out on the map. Or allow pan and zoom. If you see allow pan and zoom means what? Whatever selection we were doing, okay, that you can remove. So you will not get the zoom option, you will only get the panning option. That means selection option here. Okay. And if you want, you can show, so allow zoom and map. Then you can show map scale. Okay. And let's say if you want to show it in the US map scale, you can even do that. Or this usually it is set to automatic by default in Tableau. So that is the meaning of customizing the map using the customization tool by clicking on the right click on the map area and then selecting map options. So this is the other thing that was pending in the map module.